Assalamu alaikum. This is the valley of Makkah, and you can see the clock tower in the background. Let me zoom in, and here is the clock tower. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. It's a little before, it's like 6:45. 6:45 in the morning, 6:45. There's a clock tower, and then the terrain and the mountain stars. And so the Ghar Hira, the mountain of Hira, is right here. Let me okay, and here is the mountain Ghar Hira that you can see in the top. And people are climbing. It's 6:45 in the morning, and let me pan it a little bit. There are several paths, so you can see some. Here is one path that you will see. There's a mosque up there, and people are taking the steps up the steps. Is one way of doing it, and let me pan out. And here's the clock tower, and here is Ghar Hira, the Mount of Hira, where the first verses of the Quran came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And that's so. There's multiple paths, and here's another path that people are taking. Okay, and there's another path, and here is another path that people are taking, you can see, and there's another path. So there are multiple paths of going, and here is another path that you can see people are taking. So there's like you can see somebody climbing. Here's people coming, and it's getting crowded. Of course, it's before 7 o'clock, and you can see the rush. Here is more people coming, mashallah, and climbing. And so people are either taking the government-approved path with the support system, with poles that you can hang on to, or people just make up their own little path. They go up the mountain on their own, which is pretty dangerous, but it's a shortcut. So a lot of people, the sun is coming up, and the sun is coming up, and you can see, so it's a shortcut, and it's a risk that you're taking, but here's a shortcut. So you can see people, one on the right is the government approved path, and the one on the left is another path. It's a go at your own risk kind of, which people are taking, and they're going up. And there's so many people, mashallah. And it's a shortcut, but it's rather dangerous. People are doing it, and then you can see up there, you go all the way through this thing, and you go all the way up, and you keep climbing, and it's a long steps, mashallah. And then you go to Ghar Hira, all the way to the top, and it has a clear view of Makkah. Again, I'm going to pan out, and you can see Ghar Hira on the top, and then the clock tower to the bottom left. So clock tower and the Ghar Hira are in the same frame. So this is where Prophet Muhammad got his first revelation and of the Quran. So mashallah, I have been able to observe it from a distance. Mashallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And it's getting crowded around me, so I have to stop.